Hi friends, welcome to my channel SDET-QA Test Automation. This is our 10th session on Nightwatch training, and this video I am recording on the same day. Today morning just I recorded for the 9th session, and 10th session I am recording today again because I thought that it is important to go ahead because I have to give the code for you also. So what I have done till now I will show you, and I hope you will like this video also. So let's see that what are all things I have done for you, and how you can get the code, what you have to do for getting the codes. Okay, so the first thing I have done is that I have kept my code in the GitHub. So GitHub is, what is the GitHub? First you have to know that GitHub is a repository where you can put your project, like whatever I have done it, like I have created a Nightwatch repo here. First you have to create a repo and then you can put your code here. So you can see that all the codes whatever you are seeing in till now in my project, it is here. You cannot see some folders here because these are blanks. Okay, you can see some of the folders is there that is not present here because the thing is that, sorry, because the thing is that these folders does not have it. So I will show you how to it will go there. Okay, we will see some of the command how you can get the code from the system. Okay, from the git to your system you can download, how you can download the code, how you can get it. Okay, so one by one we will see it. So how you have, what you have to do it. So first what you have to do it is you have to download the git. So how you will download the git is just go to your system, Google, and type it download git. You will get this link. Okay, and what you have to do is you have to just click on this download for Windows based on your system, the 64, or if you click here also on the Windows, you can see that based on your system it will ask you that automatically it will detect also. If it is not detecting, you can select the executable whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. Based on that one you can download the Windows git setup. Okay, which will look something like this. Okay, after that you have to install it. Very simple setup is there. I prefer you to install it in some different location, like whatever I used to do. Every time I ask people to not to install in the program files or program files 86 due to some restrictions. Sometimes it used to do, but I prefer in this way. So what I have done is that I have created a folder called git, and all my git thing is here. You can see that, right? Okay, so once you have installed the git, then what next? That is the question, right? So let's see what you have to do it again. So once you have installed the git, you have to do something in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let's see it. So first what I'm going to do it, I'm going to delete everything whatever there in my project. Initially you can see it is and the Nightwatch, there is a Nightwatch workspace is there and everything is there inside my code. So I'm going to delete everything. Okay, but before that one I'm going to uh, I don't want this directories whatever I have created so that it will vanish. So what I'm going to do it, I'm just going to wherever it is not present, the files, I'm just going to create a file and I'm just checking it. Okay, so be with me and just see what I'm doing it here. Later I will make you understand. Okay, so just I'm writing it my custom session.js. I'm just keeping it blank, same like I'm going to this. I'm writing my custom command.js. Okay, then globals I have in the page object I don't have anything, so I'm sorry, under page object I'm writing my page object.js. This is just the dummy files I have created, nothing is inside that one. Okay, and I'm going to push this code. So right now you can see it under here, these folders are not presented, right? So when I will push the code to here, you can see the code is visible, these four folders will be visible there. So what I'm gonna do is git add git commit mine and edit dummy files to few folders. And I'm giving the push command so that it will go. Okay, so now if I refresh the page, you will see that the custom assertion, custom command and the page object is visible here, right? So what I'm going to do it, I'm going to delete everything from here. Okay, and the same way what I'm going to download, from how I'm going to download it, you can also download and use it, and you can test your framework that whether it is working or not working in your system. Okay, so let me go to the project location. Okay, so basically it is in here, nightwatch training, nightwatch workspace, and what I'm going to do it, I'm going to delete everything from here. Okay, so the Chrome driver, it is telling not, so I'm skipping it. Okay, what is happening that the Chrome driver is in use, so that's why it is not deleting. So I'm going to task manager. Okay, from task manager I have to just stop the service. I'm going to delete, let me, so you can see that these many Chrome driver services are running, so due to that one reason it is not allowing me to delete the binaries folder. Right, so we are good. Now if I go and delete that one, it will be deleted. Okay, now I have nothing. You can see that in the Nightwatch workspace I have nothing here, and here it is showing that this thing is deleted. I'm not going to checking anything. Okay, otherwise what will happen, it will remove from the Git also. I've just closed it. Okay, everything I have closed it from here. So basically what I'm going to do it, I'm going to delete this workspace also. Okay, so that everything is deleted. I don't have anything right now in the Visual Studio Code. Everything is deleted, right? You can see that in that nothing is there. So now I'm going to create it. Under this I'm going to create a folder. Okay, I'm going to create a folder called again Nightwatch training. Okay, so now I'm going to terminal. Let me delete this terminal. Okay, so one more thing I want to discuss you. You see, well, you have seen that previously I was, when we were working, there was bash terminal, there was PowerShell, sorry, there was command prompt, there was PowerShell, but there was not bash. From where I got it and what I have done it, that whenever I am opening the terminal, every time it is opening the bash one, right? This is the question, right? So let me tell you how to do that one. So I told you that you have installed the Git, right? So once you have installed the Git, so let me go to the folder location where I have installed the Git. So I have installed the Git here in this location. Under Git, you will find something called, under bin, you will see this bash. So this is the bash window is there, Git for Windows, right? So this bash I am talking out basically. When I go to the terminal, you are seeing this bash. This bash terminal is nothing but this bash terminal, right? But the question is that how it is appearing in the Nightwatch terminal, correct? So I have the solution for that also. What you have to do is go to file, go to preference. Okay. So what I told you, first we have to go to the files, preference, settings, and the user settings. I have deleted the previously entered the data, whatever data I have written here. Due to that one, the bash was there. So I don't want to make you confused, so that I have deleted this. If I go to the terminal now, okay, let me restart the Visual Studio Code. And if I open the terminal now, you will not see any uh, bash or something like that. You can see that it is blank, right? Or it is asking us to select the default profile, right? So now the question is how we will get the bash command or any other command, right? So for getting that, we have some command is we have to write it. What are all the commands we have to write it? We will just see that one right now. So be with me and let's see what are all commands we have to write it. So you have to write it terminal dot integrated, sorry, dot, I have given the correct one, dot profiles dot windows, because we are working on the windows. So I have given the windows. So you can see that it has given the PowerShell command prompt and other things. So I'm going to remove these things because I don't want the PowerShell and other things to appear. I suppose I want only the bash one. You can keep it also, does not matter. So it is showing the git bash. So this is the name is that is basically appear here basically. Okay. So I'm going to change it to bash only, right? And the source will be what? The source will be where this path is there. So I am copying this path. Sorry, by mistake I opened. And I will paste this path here. And then we have to give bash.exe. Okay. I will have to give like that so that the error will go. Still the error is giving. And in place of source, we have to give path. Okay. Now, this setting we have done it. What is the next thing? So every time I am opening the terminal, now you can see that by default the PowerShell is coming out. Okay, here. So I want that every time I open the terminal, the bash git bash will open. So for that also we have the option. So what we have to do it, we have to write the same thing. Terminal dot integrated dot profiles, not profiles, it will get default profiles dot windows, and you have to give the name what you have given. So I have given the name here bash, so you can see that it is coming here. So that settings we have to do it. Okay, and let me restart the Visual Studio Code. Once I will restart the Visual Studio Code, so now you will see that it is taking some time to come, but it will come. Okay, so now you see that if I open the terminal, I'm deleting this. If I go and open the terminal, every time you will see that by default the bash will be selected and you will see this terminal. Okay, I hope I am clear how you will set up the git bash terminal, correct? So only thing is that you have to do these settings. Even you can do the settings for the PowerShell and other bash command also. These are the other things that you can set up also, which I showed you in the earlier, where I have deleted. Okay, so now we will proceed for the next one, how we can get the project from the Git. So getting the project from the Git is nothing but the cloning the project. Okay, so when you go to the Git, maybe you need to create the account. You can create the free account here. There is no charge for that one. Okay, you have to go to that link. Okay, once you get to that link, so let me try that one also. I'm going to the incognito mode, and I will just paste it. Right, so you can see that it is a public, so it's okay. So the no sign in will be required. So what you have to do it, you have to click on the code, okay, and just click on this. It will copy. What you have to do it right here, git clone, and paste it and hit enter. Okay, what you have seen it here, it has cloned the Nightwatch, but by mistake I have done into that one. I should have done into this Nightwatch training. Okay, so it has come under that one, the Nightwatch. Okay, so I don't require this folder now, so I'm going to delete this folder. So you can see that everything is came here. I don't need to do anything. I have just cloned the whole project here. Okay, and what next is that I will go to the cd by this command nightwatch, and you can see that I am under the Nightwatch. What next I have to do is I have to do the run the command npm install. This is one time doing because there is no node module is present here, so I will do npm install. So all the node module will be installed here. So let it install. Okay, it has installed successfully, and let's run our code and see that whether it is executing or not. So what I have to do is node nightwatch.js. Okay, then we are going to the test slash myFirstTest.js, and I will hit enter. And yeah, my project is running fine, which I have just downloaded from the Git, and yes, it's fine. Okay, so I hope I made you clear how you can get the code from the Git and how you can work on it one. From this video I will give all the links from there. I will give the steps in the Git also, what you have to do it. Okay, one more thing you can see it here the Git Ignore is there. So this file is basically, suppose some files that is like these XML files, these all are generated. I don't want to upload in the Git whenever some changes I am making it. Okay, so that's why you can see that it is not highlighted, it is highlighted in different color. Right. So that's why whenever I will do the check-in, it will not go. Okay, so this is the use of the Git Ignore file. Okay, so that's all from the today's session. I hope it will be interesting for you. Some new learning will be there. So just you have to, for making you a recap, that the GitHub is a repository where we will put the code. you can work on this code also. You can want that, you can make the changes also, you can request, you can clone the code in your system, and you can run it. So as I have made the public, so you can anytime you can download your code and you can use it, and you can learn it, you can make the changes and use it, right? So that's all from this video. I will come with the next video for more details. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.